What if I told you that inside your own mind lies the key to unlocking abilities that most people would call superhuman? I'm not talking about flying like Superman or shooting lasers from your eyes, though, who knows, maybe one day science will get us there. I'm talking about real, proven, practical abilities that meditation can awaken in you. Sharper focus, super memory, faster learning, emotional mastery, deeper intuition, even physical healing. Meditation has been around for thousands of years, but in our modern world, we're just beginning to realize how powerful it really is. And today, I want to take you on a journey, step by step, showing you how meditation can unlock the kind of hidden powers within you that make you feel limitless. Before we dive in, quick reminder: if you find this video inspiring, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this message, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We talk about deep, powerful, life-changing truths here, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into it. Here's the truth. Human beings are walking miracles, but most of us live like we're ordinary. Why? Because society has trained us to believe we're weak, powerless, and limited. But if you study ancient traditions, mystics, yogis, monks, and even modern neuroscience, you'll find the same conclusion. The mind is far more powerful than we've been led to believe. Take the Tibetan monks, for example. They practice a form of meditation called tumo, and with it, they can literally generate inner heat. Scientists have measured them sitting in freezing Himalayan snow, drying cold wet sheets with just their body heat. That's not magic, that's not fiction, that's human potential. Or think about the famous Iceman, Wim Hof. He's been submerged in ice for nearly 2 hours without his core temperature dropping. He credits breathwork and meditation for his ability. That's superhuman. And here's the good news: you have that same potential inside you. So, what exactly is meditation? A lot of people think meditation means sitting cross-legged, trying not to think. But that's not it. Meditation is training your mind the way an athlete trains their body. When you meditate, you're not running away from reality, you're sharpening your awareness of it. You're accessing parts of your mind that normally stay hidden behind noise, stress, and distraction. Think of your mind like a computer. Right now, most of us are using it like it's a cheap smartphone, just checking emails, scrolling social media, reacting to notifications. But beneath all that is supercomputer-level power waiting to be accessed. Meditation is the password. Let's talk science for a second. Modern research on meditation has discovered things that sound almost unbelievable. Neuroplasticity. Your brain can rewire itself. Meditation literally reshapes your brain structure, strengthening the areas linked to focus, memory, and emotional control. Telomeres. Meditation slows aging on a cellular level. That means longer youth and better health. Gamma brainwaves. Advanced meditators produce high levels of gamma brainwaves, the frequency linked to creativity, learning, and peak performance. Immune system boost. Meditation strengthens immunity, helping your body fight off disease more effectively. Tell me that doesn't sound like superpowers. But let's go deeper, beyond just science. Because meditation doesn't only make you healthier, it awakens spiritual powers that ancient traditions have talked about for centuries. In the yogic tradition, there's a concept called siddhis, special abilities that arise through deep meditation. Some of these include telepathy, knowing what others are thinking; clairvoyance, seeing beyond normal perception; levitation. Yes, some yogis claim this is real, healing powers. Superhuman strength and focus. Now, whether you believe all of these are literally possible or not, here's the key. Meditation gives you access to levels of mind most people never experience. Even if you don't start levitating tomorrow, you will notice you can read people better, feel energy in ways you didn't before, and experience insights that seem almost supernatural. And the truth is, what we call superhuman is often just human fully activated. One of the first superhuman abilities meditation gives you is laser-sharp focus. We live in a world full of distractions, notifications, news, constant noise. Most people can't focus for more than 10 minutes without reaching for their phone. But imagine if you could lock in on a task with total clarity, zero distractions. Imagine studying for 2 hours and remembering everything. Imagine working for 3 hours and producing more than most people do in a week. That's superhuman in today's world. And here's the good news. Focus is a muscle. Meditation trains it. Try this. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath. The moment your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Do that for 10 minutes a day, and within weeks, you'll notice your attention span growing stronger. This is the foundation. With focus, you can build anything. The next ability is emotional control. Most people are slaves to their emotions: anger, fear, stress, anxiety. But meditation teaches you to step back and become the master of your inner world. Think about it. When someone cuts you off in traffic, do you explode in anger? Or when life throws problems your way, do you panic? Meditation gives you the ability to stay calm in the storm. And that's a superpower. The greatest leaders, athletes, and innovators all share this trait: the ability to stay calm, focused, and clear under pressure. Meditation gives you that, so the next time life tries to push your buttons, instead of reacting, you'll respond with wisdom. That alone separates you from 99% of people. Now let's go deeper. Meditation unlocks intuition, the ability to just know. You've probably experienced it before, those gut feelings that guide you, the quiet voice that tells you what to do. That's intuition. Most people ignore it, but meditation strengthens it. When your mind becomes quiet, you can hear that inner wisdom more clearly. You'll start noticing synchronicities, meaningful coincidences guiding your path. You'll make better decisions because you're no longer just thinking with logic. You're tapping into a higher intelligence. This is the superhuman guidance system you were born with, and it's waiting for you to trust it. Here's another ability: healing. Studies show that meditation reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, boosts immunity, and even speeds up recovery. Some people have healed chronic pain through meditation. Others have lowered their dependence on medication. Your body is designed to heal itself, but stress, fear, and negative emotions block that process. Meditation clears those blockages and allows your body to do what it was built to do. This doesn't mean you should throw away your doctor's advice, but think of meditation as the inner medicine that works hand in hand with modern medicine. Have you ever noticed that after meditation, you feel lighter? Energized? That's because meditation tunes your body into higher frequencies of energy. In traditions like Qigong or Kundalini Yoga, meditation is used to awaken the life force energy inside you, what the Chinese call Qi and the Indians call prana. When this energy flows freely, you feel vibrant, alive, and magnetic. People will notice it too. They'll say, "You have this glow about you." That's not imagination, that's energy. And when your energy rises, your whole life rises with it. Another gift: creativity. Some of the greatest innovators, Steve Jobs, Nikola Tesla, Einstein, were known to use meditation or deep contemplation to access insights that change the world. When your mind becomes still, you tap into the field of infinite ideas. Suddenly, solutions appear out of nowhere. Inspiration flows like water. This is how artists, musicians, and inventors create their masterpieces. Meditation doesn't just make you calmer, it makes you a genius in your own right. So now you're probably asking, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I start? Let's break it down. Find your space, a quiet corner. Doesn't need to be fancy. Sit comfortably. You don't need to twist into a pretzel. Just sit with your back straight. Close your eyes, gently. Relax your shoulders. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Let thoughts come and go like clouds. Start small, 5 to 10 minutes a day. Build it like a muscle. Consistency matters more than intensity. A few minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Expand. Over time, try different techniques: mantra meditation, visualization, loving kindness, body scan, or energy meditation. The key is, don't overthink it, just start. As you practice daily, here's what will happen. Week 1, you'll feel calmer. Week 2, you'll notice your focus getting stronger. Month 1, people around you will notice your energy shift. Month 3, you'll feel more in control of your emotions. Year 1, you'll look back and realize, you're not the same person anymore. You've unlocked a power most people never touch. This is the path to becoming superhuman. Not overnight, not instantly, but through consistent practice. Of course, your mind will resist. It'll tell you, this is boring. You don't have time. It's not working. That's the ego. That's the old programming. But remember, meditation isn't about emptying your mind, it's about returning your focus. Even if you have to bring your attention back 100 times, that's progress. Every session makes you stronger. So don't quit, the reward is too great. Let me leave you with this. There are monks who can slow their heartbeat and lower their metabolism to near death-like states. There are athletes who use visualization and meditation to win championships. There are everyday people who've overcome trauma, disease, and despair through meditation. If they can do it, so can you. Meditation is not about escaping life, it's about living it fully, with power, clarity, and mastery. The world may call these things superhuman, but the truth is, they're your birthright. You were designed for greatness. You were born with a mind that can reshape reality itself. The only question is, will you train it? Will you unlock it? So I challenge you, starting today, give yourself just 10 minutes a day. Stick with it, and watch how your life transforms. Because the moment you sit down, close your eyes, and go within, you're no longer ordinary. You're extraordinary. You're unlocking your superhuman abilities. If this message inspired you, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below telling me what ability you'd love to unlock first, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're building a community of people who want to rise, evolve, and live at their highest potential. Your future self will thank you. Your family will thank you. And one day, the world will thank you for unlocking your true power. Stay inspired, stay powerful, and remember, the key to superhuman abilities is already inside you. All you have to do is meditate.